po, congratulations. This to you both receiving your Finland student residence permit. So you are bound to Finland very soon.
Congratulations to both of you po, Sir Chris, Sir John Mel. Finally po, papunta na kayo ng Finland. Thank you so much po for trusting me and for trusting the team, First Tech International. We are very happy po, sir, for your success po.
Thank you. Yung
Opo.
first, second, third talaga. It exceeded my expectations. So from the start na nag-inquire ako kay Ma'am Yuli, very smooth yung transition. By the time na yung mga requirements pa lang, tapos may mga questions din na from there, nasasagot talaga ni Ma'am Yuli. So doon pa lang na talagang hats off na talaga kay Ma'am Yuli.
Oh, very good. I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you, Ma'am Maria. Ma'am Yuli.
Sige po. Ingat po ng marami. Congratulations once again. Take care po.